Hey YouTube, I'm about to put in my first mod on the PCH 200i made by Lance. I plan to maybe do a review video on this scooter in the future after I get 500 miles. Currently have 400 and almost 27. So today I'm going to add this rear rack to the back of the scooter. Currently right now this rack that it has now is more of like just a grab bar. Can't really attach anything to it at all. So I'll set my camera up, get a good angle on this. Looks like this will be pretty easy. It's just it looks like Allen bolts, I guess. I think that's what those are called. So alright, I'll be right back. Alright, it looks like it uses a 6mm. So this is my first attempt of taking these out. So we'll see how tight they are. See if I can do this with one hand. Oh, looks like they're really actually extremely loose. That one was anyway, so let me see. Yeah, they're not that tight at all. So let me set the camera down. Get this thing off of here. Actually, hold on, I'm gonna use it better. So I got a little socket thing. Make it easier, quicker. It's kind of tight. Hold on. Maybe we need a little more force. It comes off real easily. Alright, where's the other one? Put this bad boy. Let's see here. Okay. Go ahead and put the one on the back first. Now just tightening them up. I think I'll get some Loctite put on these, just because since they were loose when I took them off, and I don't know what torque. Oh, I lost that part. Hold on. I found it. Here we go. I guess that's not going anywhere, so let's see what the final product looks like. Looks pretty secure. So there we go. Guess I'll be able to put a milk crate or something on there. So yeah, so I guess in a future video I'll do a little review and walk around of the scooter. I don't really want to do one now because that's what this video was for, is just to put this thing on. Alright, well, this is my introduction video to this channel, or kind of my second video. I did a video on a exhaust on my car, or a downpipe. But yeah, so hopefully I can do some future videos on this scooter. Alright, see ya. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see more. Bye. Okay, so this will give you an idea of why I put a rack on here. Like, I could like strap maybe this cooler on here. In the future I'll get a milk crate, strap that to it as well, and then I can take them on and off and use this to go get stuff that I want to keep cold, or whatever else I want with the milk crate. Alright, later.